Morning light spills soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a dance song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. I almost gave up on time. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You worth the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were worth the wait. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built up walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed. And every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was brought in something better than I knew. Every broken
Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to us. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but can't help me through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. With roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath, the summer air, just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but can't help me through alleyways and memories. Your presence lingers incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by. Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams flew by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew.